What is a stack in programming?
A stack is a fundamental data structure in programming that stores items in a specific order. Items are added and removed using two main operations, push and pop. Think of a stack like a stack of plates. New items go on top, and only the top item can be removed. This structure follows the last in, first out principle, often abbreviated as LIFO.
LIFO principle explained.
LIFO stands for last in, first out. With stacks, the most recently added item is always the first one to be removed. Imagine adding books to a single pile. To get the book at the bottom, you must remove the books on top first. This ordered way of accessing data makes stacks ideal for certain tasks in programming.
Common stack operations.
Stacks use simple yet powerful operations. The most important are push, which adds an item to the top of the stack, and pop, which removes the top item. There's also peek, which lets you see the top item without removing it. These operations ensure stacks manage data efficiently in a controlled manner.
Where are stacks used in software?
Stacks are everywhere in software development. They are used to manage function calls in programming languages, such as when you call one function from another. Stacks also help with undo features in applications, evaluate expressions in calculators, and match parentheses in code editors. Their predictable behavior makes them ideal for these scenarios.
Advantages and limitations of stacks.
Stacks offer fast and straightforward data access. Their LIFO nature helps solve specific problems efficiently. However, stacks can only access the most recently added data, which means you cannot randomly retrieve items deeper in the stack. Understanding when to use stacks is key to writing effective programs.